today there's a Volkswagen 𝐷𝐸𝐻 Come to our shop, install Android player plus 360 camera with ambient lighting. Come, let me show you. Come, let's have a look at the player. So for this player, customer install 360 camera, guidelines, signal, and reverse. So for this Android player, customer install is 8GB 256 ROM. So it's Android 13. I can support a lot of things, TTS 501, sound surround, can adjust a lot of things, equalizer, 1 in 20 modes. And for this player, supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, YouTube, Netflix. It has Play Store. You can install anything you want, and aircon control will be able to display in here. If you want to find player for Volkswagen 𝐷𝐸𝐻, look for us. This is our location. So like, comment, share.